Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to prevent manual tag approvals on Instagram using your PC, especially after the latest update. If you're tired of reviewing every tag before it appears on your profile, this is going to make things much easier for you. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into the correct account where you want to change the tagging settings. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see the three-line menu icon there. Click on it to open up more options. From that menu, find and click on Settings. This will take you to the main control panel where you can manage your account preferences. Inside Settings, look for the section called Tags and Mentions. Click on it to continue. Now, you'll see an option labeled Manually Approve Tags. This is the feature that controls whether posts you're tagged in need your approval before they show up on your profile. Go ahead and click into that option. Here's the key step. You'll want to disable the manual approval setting. Once you turn this off, Instagram will automatically allow tagged posts to appear on your profile without needing your approval each time.